Hello good people. Welcome to the Elegant Mart. In this video, we will try to list best 5 French press coffee maker. We tried to list them best on their price, quality, durability and more. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5. Belwares Coffee Maker. The modern French press for a delicious cup of home brewed. Deluxe black stainless steel design. Multi-screen filter system catches the tiniest coffee grounds. Nice gift idea for coffee connoisseurs and coffee lovers. Enjoy unmatched freshness or we'll refund you. Please check the description for details and update price. Number 4. Frieling Coffee Maker. Double wall 18/10 stainless steel French press for coffee or tea. Mirror finish outside and brushed finish inside. 2-stage filter system uses a pre-filter and superfine mesh filter for zero sediment in cup. Carafe doubles as insulated serving pitcher. 5-year warranty against manufacturing defects. Please check the description for details and update price. Number 3. Coffee Gator Coffee Maker. Our huge capacity kit is vacuum layered and double filtered. Keep coffee, or tea, hot for 60 minutes longer than glass. This brewer is tough, durable, and rust proof. The Gator press is uniquely designed to stop sediment but let the delicious coffee. Our total satisfaction promise covers all our products. Please check the description for details and update price. Number 2. KONA Coffee Maker. Simply the purest way. Protective design. Comfortable handle. Easy to clean dishwasher machine safe. Portable and eco-friendly coffee maker for travel, hiking and outdoor. Please check the description for details and update price. Number 1. Secura Coffee Maker. Secura stainless steel French press coffee maker is made from top quality 18/10 stainless steel. 3-layered stainless steel filter structure. Bonus stainless steel screen included with this French coffee press. This French press maker comes with cool touch handle and knob. The capacity of Secura's stainless steel French coffee press is 34 ounce/1000 ml. Please check the description for details and update price.